What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode on my channel. Today we're going to be working on the E30, hopefully getting a few more things done. You might have seen in previous videos that I had to jump the car and do all that good stuff, but the battery is just purely dead. It's dead, and I'm pretty sick of jumping it every single time I have to use it. Even after we get the alternator going and all that sort of stuff, the battery just doesn't want to live. So, without further ado, today we're going to be doing a battery change and an oil change. Stay tuned.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to.
So.
Oh, okay, sorry. It is.
So, this is our old dead battery. We're going to be removing the positive and negative terminals. It's a 10mm on the side. Not sure if that's for every car, but it's for mine. This is our new battery. Picked it up from my local super cheap auto store, which is kind of like an O'Reilly's in America. Or I guess like a Walmart, I don't know. Point is, change that out. Get this old one out. And yeah, these just roll off, seeing as I've taken this battery out before. Just get it tested and all sorts of stuff. It just hasn't worked. So, out with the old, in with the new. Fuck, I forget how heavy batteries are. Now, to not be a noob, you have to remove the plastic caps. Don't ask me how I know that. Had to remove the plastic caps, positive and negative. And then without further ado, slide that on. Slide this on. Tighten it up. Let's see if it starts up. The car now has a new battery. It's desperately needed. That's just how it is. I'll just have to take the battery out every time I go to leave the car for a while, because I just obviously can't afford to go buy a battery every single weekend. But we'll let this run. We'll let the fluids get around. And then we'll do our oil change. Obviously for an oil change you need the fluids to be nice and liquidy. And then yeah, then we'll pop it out, we'll drain it, and then we'll get to it. We'll let this run for like 10 minutes, get everything moving, and yeah, and we'll cut to that right now. So we've let the car run for about 15 minutes or so. It's good, looking good, nice and warm now. So to go ahead and remove the oil can, which is obviously half of an oil change, you have to remove this air box. Now I have a sneaky suspicion I have to remove this air box. So that is simple. 10mm here, a 10mm here, I never know what it's called, screwdriver thing. Another one down here, and then a rubber hose there, and the whole thing just comes out. There's one more cord that just connects here, and one here, but other than that, it's super simple. So that's to gain access to the filter, which is under here. Now this is only for the M10 E30, so just be aware due to the old engine. So without further ado, we'll get into it. So like I said, go ahead and remove these two 10s, the screw here, and undo the rubber bit here. Make sure your engine's off, obviously. There's a few sensors you need to remove. So, start off with the 10s. And just like that, it comes out too easy. Oh, that's the airbox. Alright, cool, so now you got your airbox out that you used to leave here. Make sure you put all your clamps and rubber bits and all that sort of stuff in a safe spot so you don't lose them, because you will need them again, obviously. This is our oil catch can, or oil filter, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. So that's the old one that's going to come out. We've got a new one over there. First things first, we're going to loosen that, not 100%, just enough to get some air in, and then we're going to drain from the bottom. Let's get to it. Sweet, so we've jacked up the car, got it on jack stands. I don't have a drain catcher. So I'm gonna use this. It's pretty ratchet, but I don't know what my thing is. So we'll figure that out later. So you can see the oil pan is there, and our drain plug is right here. What? There. So you can see in references to what you need to do. Watch out, because it'll spurt out this way really quick, and it'll just slowly dribble back. Just be aware of that as you go to do your draining. 15W40, 50 sorry, is what I'll be using. Castrol high mileage, so it's done a lot of miles apparently. And the oil filter is a Ryco oil filter, Z418. That's what I'll be using. Yeah, we'll get to it. So the first thing, like I said, we'll be loosening the top oil filter, just get airflow through it, so that we can start to drain at the bottom instead of flow through smoothly and we get everything out. Crack on. Completely disregard what I just said. I won't be loosening that. I'm actually just going to loosen the top off this all the way. See the steam coming off. Car's nice and warm. Just place it here so I don't lose it. Actually, I'll leave it over here so I don't lose it. And now we should be able to drain it out, no problem. Let's jump out of the car. Mint. So it's 19mm underneath. I'm gonna go ahead and crack off this bolt. I have no idea how easy this will be or how hard it'll be because this has been on there for quite some time. So hopefully it's not that hard. Oh, that's pretty disgusting. Beautiful. This is what I'm going. Oh, fuck no. Yuck. Alright, inclement weather is heading our way, so commitment to the project. Now this oil can has to come out, and then new Ryco one has to go in. I'll grab a little bit of oil from the new one, just rub it around the ring of the Ryco can, just to make sure we get nice adhesion and no mishaps. BMW e30.